JioPOS agent can issue an eSIM connection to an individual customer through Jio Aadhaar Face Auth using JioPOS Plus. Welcome to JioPOS Plus. To begin with, enter your user ID and password and tap on Login. Tap on eKYC to proceed. Now, select appropriate order type. In this example, eSIM registration has been selected. Tap on Done to proceed further. Next, scan or enter the IMEI number from the handset box. Tap on Next to proceed. Further, on Customer Aadhaar eKYC page, enter customer's Aadhaar ID or virtual ID. In this example, Aadhaar ID has been entered. Now, select appropriate option for other mobile connections. In this example, No has been selected. Now, tap on the icon to capture customer's live photo. Ensure that the photo close-up is till the shoulder length, equivalent to passport-size photograph with a white background. Please note, photo is captured once face is aligned in the camera module. Customer can authenticate through biometric or by Face Auth. In this example, Face Auth has been selected. And then tap on I agree and capture. Camera module will open to detect face. Upon successful face detection, proceed with I blink to complete the process. On successful authentication, Customer Aadhaar eKYC has been successfully submitted. Now, tap on Proceed. Customer detail will auto-populate. Here, you need to make a note that in Date of Birth field, if only year of birth is captured, then enter date and month manually. In case father or husband name is blank, then enter details manually. Similarly, enter alternate mobile number and select mobile type as mobile, business or home. Enter correct email ID which customer is using. This is mandatory for onboarding postpaid customers. Tap on Next to proceed. Here, Vanity will be auto-selected. On the eKYC page, select the product type as opted by the customer. In this example, prepaid has been selected. Now, scan or enter the EID number of the handset given on the handset box and reconfirm by scanning or entering the value. Now tap on Next to proceed. Once the Next button is tapped, a QR code is generated which needs to be scanned in the customer device. Tap on Done to proceed. Now, select the appropriate plan from the plan list. Now enter the reference number and tap on OK. SIM details will auto-populate, such as ICC ID and MSISDN. Now tap on Next to proceed. Here, customer details will be displayed. Ask customer to verify the details by tapping on Details Verified by Customer. Now tap on Proceed. Agent can authenticate through biometric or by Face Auth. In this example, Face Auth has been selected. Now, tap on I agree and capture. Camera module will open to detect face. Upon successful face detection, proceed with I blink to complete the process. On successful authentication, agent authorization has been successfully submitted. Now tap on Proceed. Now check amount of total transaction and then tap on Back icon. Tap on appropriate payment option. In this example, debit or credit card has been opted. With this, order has been successfully submitted. Tap on Done to complete the Jio eKYC onboarding process. Please note that tele-verification is not required for eKYC onboarding. Come on India, Jio Digital Life. Customer information seen in the video is for illustrative purpose only. All the fields